Hi everyone. Hi Christoph. It's nice to see you again.
Nice to see you, Anna.
So normally we meet when there is something exciting and interesting to share about Kairos.
Absolutely. And as you may know, we have been preparing a new software release for Kairos.
I heard version 1.7 including some wonderful new features.
Indeed. Let me introduce a couple of them now. First, we have added some superb new effects that will for sure delight the most creative users: glow and film look. Users can adjust parameters individually. For instance, on film look, sepia color, noise, scratches on video, and so on can be customized. Also, we have included new adjustments based on pixel for positions and crop.
I know this update had been expected by many customers in the events market.
You are right, Anna. And we did not forget about engineers with a more powerful REST API and a newly added SNMP protocol. And for those wanting to train themselves on Kairos, the Kairos emulator is now available. It allows to create or modify scenes, layers, effects in a production. It runs offline on a PC without the need of connecting to a core.
That's great. Isn't it all? I heard there was a new smart something.
Of course, I was kidding you, Anna, and keeping the most important new feature for the end: smart routing.
I was sure. Can you please tell us more about it?
You know, Kairos already supports a large number of inputs, enough for many customers. However, some required more, especially in UHD. Smart routing is the solution. Kairos uses AGMP to instantly route sources on demand through the 2110 switch. And because it uses make before break technology, the cut is perfectly clean. Additionally, all the processes are managed by the system itself. The operator does not have to pre-route sources. It continues to work as normal, and Kairos controls the source routing directly with the switch, routing the sources only when they are actually used in a scene. Doing this, the source number limitation is not linked anymore to Kairos input bandwidth, but to the size of the IP switch. We are starting with 64 UHD sources, but virtually it is unlimited.
Cool, but I can already guess some questions being asked from our customers. How fast is it? Does it add any latency?
Most of the time, the cut is executed in just one frame, Anna. And it is not signal latency. It is just the cut delay.
So almost invisible then.
Yes, however, the best way to demonstrate is to show you. Let's go. Look here, Anna. This system is equipped with 1.7 software and smart routing is enabled. When I switch from a camera to another, like this, the cut is actually performed in the IP switch. And this works even if I go very quickly like this. Did you notice any difference?
Not at all. But
But what, Anna?
are we obliged to use it?
No, you don't have to. You can choose. Simply go to the input menu and choose for each source if it is permanent or on demand. Therefore, if you prefer, you can keep some cameras as permanently routed to the Kairos core and use smart routing for the remaining sources.
So no constraints at all.
The only constraint is about the multiviewer. Obviously, internal multiviewer can only be used with permanent inputs. But we know often in large installations with many sources, customers prefer anyhow using an external multiviewer system.
I see. But aren't you afraid that this will limit people's creativity?
Quite the contrary, Anna. It offers more flexibility. Remember, Kairos S1 can receive up to 16 UHD sources simultaneously, and even 64 in Full HD. And I would invite all our viewers to check how many UHD inputs they actually use simultaneously in the different layers. Really more than 16?
You convinced me. But last point, how much does it cost?
That's the best part, Anna. It's free. Any Kairos KC200 or 2000 owner can use smart routing or leave it turned off. It is just a new addition available in our ever-growing portfolio of Kairos features.
Great. That wraps up our overview of version 1.7 firmware and its new features. You will find all useful links below this video. Thank you, Christoph.
Thank you, Anna.
Thank you for watching, everyone, and see you soon.